Look at the Muslim world. Nobody wants to work. Illa mashallah. And the only people who work in these countries are the poor people who really sweat. And I know this because we work in these countries. The middle class, the educated, the one who got a couple of things, he makes other people work. They don't work. And this is why the Muslim world is in the state that it's in. You look at education. Slightly things have changed recently, but you look at the general education in the Muslim world. This is about 10 years old research. Egypt spends 2.5% of their national income on Egypt, or on education. The vast of the Middle Eastern countries similar. The one who at the most was UAE, 6%. Israel, per one person they spend 25 times more than the Egyptians spend upon a person. 25 times more. And then you complain, everything, the Muslims are, and I don't even like this statement, and I don't have time, otherwise I'll go through it. Oh, it's a Jewish conspiracy. Oh, the Jews are behind it. That's an unfactual generally case anyway, but it's an easy thing to blame other people for everything which happens in the world. You know which community in America has the most positive perception of Muslims? Religious community in America? The Jews. Only 14% of them have a negative perception of Muslims. You know who have the highest negative perception of Muslims? Conservative Christians. 54% of conservative Christians say that the Muslims are like this. Look at Israel. The size of what? The size of Wales. And you got all this Muslim world around it. Uneducated, lazy, bums. You have nothing coming out of your countries besides dhulm, dictatorship. And then you say, you blame everybody else in the world. Even the Muslim community in the UK, overall, Bangladeshi community, Pakistani community, Somalian community, education, you're lower strata. And then you turn around and say, Allah revealed, Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi. Allah revealed that, read in the name of your Lord. Then the Messenger of Allah said that whenever you do something, do it with ihsan. And you're uneducated. But blame all the world, blame everybody around you besides yourself. Easy cop out.